Think you know all the amazing creatures on our planet? Think again. Our world is teeming with life, much of it hidden away in remote corners or disguised in plain sight. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, there exists a breathtaking array of creatures, each with its own unique adaptations and remarkable stories to tell. Today we're diving into the world of hidden gems in wildlife that you've probably never heard of. These are the unsung heroes of the animal kingdom, often overlooked but no less fascinating than their more famous counterparts. We'll journey to some of the most remote and biodiverse corners of the globe, uncovering the secrets of these extraordinary animals. Prepare to be amazed by the aye-aye's peculiar feeding habits in Madagascar, marvel at the saiga antelope's unusual nose in the steppes of Central Asia, and be captivated by the pink fairy armadillo's burrowing prowess in Argentina. These are just a glimpse of the incredible creatures that await us. So join me as we embark on this adventure of discovery, shining a light on the hidden wonders of our planet's biodiversity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife content. Deep in the heart of Madagascar, shrouded in the cloak of night, lives a creature as peculiar as it is elusive. This is the aye-aye, a nocturnal lemur found only in this island nation. With its bat-like ears, piercing yellow eyes, and a rather unsettling appearance, the aye-aye has long been associated with superstition and fear by local communities. But beneath its somewhat eerie exterior lies a fascinating primate with a unique set of adaptations. The aye-aye is a master of its environment, navigating the dense rainforest canopy with acrobatic agility. Its large, sensitive ears pick up the faintest of sounds, guiding it towards its prey, grubs and insects hidden deep within the trees. And it's here that the aye-aye reveals its most extraordinary feature, its long, skeletal middle finger. This remarkable digit is highly specialized for a very particular method of finding food called tap foraging. The aye-aye taps on the bark of trees, listening intently for the telltale sounds of hollow cavities that might harbor its insect prey. Once a cavity is located, the aye-aye uses its sharp teeth to gnaw a hole into the wood. Then, with surgical precision, it inserts its long middle finger into the hole, using its sensitive tip to hook out the unsuspecting grubs. This remarkable adaptation makes the aye-aye the only primate that uses echolocation to find food, a trait more commonly associated with bats and dolphins. Sadly, the aye-aye's very existence is under threat. Habitat loss and hunting are pushing this rare creature closer to extinction. Conservation efforts aim to protect the aye-aye and its habitat. Educating communities is key to dispelling myths and promoting coexistence. By understanding its role, we can help ensure its survival. Our journey takes us to the vast, windswept steppes of Central Asia. Here roams the distinctive saiga antelope with its large, bulbous nose. These nomads undertake epic migrations across the plains. Their nose filters dust in summer and warms air in winter. Perfectly adapted to the harsh steppes, the saiga now faces an uncertain future. Once found in their millions across the steppes of Central Asia, saiga antelope populations have plummeted due to habitat loss and poaching. Driven by demand for their horns in traditional medicine, poachers decimate their numbers. Conservation efforts aim to protect these magnificent creatures. Support and awareness can help secure their future. Journey with us now to the heart of South America, to the pampas grasslands of central Argentina. Here, beneath the sun-baked earth, dwells a creature of such diminutive stature and peculiar appearance, it might as well have sprung from the pages of a fairy tale. This, my friends, is the pink fairy armadillo, the smallest armadillo species on our planet. Measuring a mere 3 to 4 inches long, excluding its tail, the pink fairy armadillo is hardly larger than a hamster. Its most striking feature, undoubtedly, is its pale pink carapace, a stark contrast to the dusty plains it calls home. This rosy hue isn't just for show, it's a testament to the rich blood supply beneath the shell, helping regulate body temperature in the fluctuating desert climate. The pink fairy armadillo's subterranean lifestyle is another testament to its remarkable adaptations. Its powerful claws, disproportionately large for its size, are perfectly designed for excavating the dry, compacted soil, creating burrows that provide refuge from predators and the scorching midday sun. This shy and elusive creature spends the majority of its life underground, emerging only under the cover of darkness to forage for food. And forage it does with a particular fondness for ants and their larvae. Using its keen sense of smell, the pink fairy armadillo sniffs out ant trails and burrows near their nests. Its long, sticky tongue, much like that of an anteater, laps up these unsuspecting insects with remarkable efficiency. But the pink fairy armadillo's subterranean lifestyle poses a unique challenge, navigating the dense, sandy soil. Here it employs a rather unusual method of locomotion. With its head and forelimbs tucked in close, it propels itself forward using its powerful hind legs and tail, essentially swimming through the sand. This peculiar mode of movement, coupled with its small size and nocturnal habits, makes the pink fairy armadillo incredibly difficult to observe in the wild. In fact, much of what we know about this fascinating species comes from studying captive individuals or examining burrows. Sadly, the pink fairy armadillo's very existence is under threat. Habitat loss due to agricultural expansion and its low reproductive rate make it particularly vulnerable. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique and enchanting species, ensuring that the pink fairy armadillo continues to grace the Argentinian pampas for generations to come. We journey now to the land of the long white cloud, New Zealand, home to a most peculiar and endearing creature, the kakapo. This extraordinary bird, found nowhere else on Earth, is a paradox of nature, a parrot that has forgotten how to fly, a nocturnal wanderer in a world dominated by daylight. The kakapo cuts an impressive figure, the largest and heaviest of all parrot species. Its rotund body, cloaked in moss-green plumage, is surprisingly well camouflaged amongst the ferns and forest floor of its native habitat. Large, owl-like eyes adapted for navigating the darkness give the kakapo an almost comical yet endearing expression. Unlike its airborne relatives, the kakapo is flightless, its wings reduced to mere vestiges of their former glory. Over millennia, in the absence of mammalian predators, the need for flight diminished, and the kakapo evolved to become a ground-dwelling herbivore, its powerful legs carrying it through the undergrowth with surprising agility. But what the kakapo lacks in aerial prowess, it more than makes up for in its extraordinary vocalizations. Come nightfall, the male kakapo embarks on a sonic quest for a mate, emitting a series of low-frequency booms that resonate through the forest, a sound often likened to distant foghorns. These booming calls, audible for kilometers across the valleys, are produced by inflating a large thoracic sac, creating a resonating chamber that amplifies the sound. The male kakapo will repeat this booming ritual for hours on end, hoping to attract a receptive female. Sadly, the kakapo's captivating calls were once a death knell. Introduced predators, such as stoats and rats, decimated the kakapo population, drawn to the bird's distinctive calls and vulnerability on the forest floor. By the late 20th century, the kakapo teetered on the brink of extinction, with fewer than 50 individuals remaining. However, all hope is not lost. Thanks to the tireless efforts of conservationists, the kakapo is experiencing a resurgence. Intensive breeding programs, predator-free sanctuaries, and meticulous monitoring have brought the kakapo back from the brink, a testament to the power of human intervention and a beacon of hope for the future of this remarkable species. We venture now into the dense emerald heart of Africa, to the impenetrable rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. Here, amidst the tangled vegetation and dappled sunlight, roams a creature so elusive, so bizarre in appearance, that it was once thought to be a mythical beast. This, my friends, is the okapi, a creature that seems to have borrowed its features from a variety of animals, creating a biological enigma that has captivated explorers and scientists for centuries. Imagine, if you will, a creature with the graceful neck of a giraffe, the reddish-brown coat of a deer, and the hindquarters adorned with zebra-like stripes. This is the okapi, a living tapestry of seemingly mismatched features, a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. But the okapi's resemblance to other animals is more than just skin deep. Its long prehensile tongue, reminiscent of its giraffe cousins, is perfectly adapted for stripping leaves from branches. This remarkable organ, bluish-grey in color and nearly a foot long, can reach even the most awkwardly positioned leaves, ensuring the okapi a steady supply of nourishment in the dense rainforest undergrowth. The okapi's elusive nature is as legendary as its appearance. For centuries, whispers of a strange, donkey-like creature with zebra stripes circulated amongst the indigenous tribes of the Congo Basin. Europeans dismissed these tales as mere folklore until 1901, when explorer Sir Harry Johnston finally obtained a skin and skull of the mysterious animal, confirming its existence to the wider world. The okapi's secretive lifestyle is a testament to its remarkable adaptations to the rainforest environment. Its keen hearing, coupled with a highly developed sense of smell, allows it to detect predators and rivals from afar. When threatened, the okapi relies on its remarkable agility, its striped hindquarters providing camouflage as it melts into the dappled undergrowth. Despite its elusive nature, the okapi faces an uncertain future. Habitat loss due to deforestation, coupled with the persistent threat of poaching, has placed this extraordinary creature at risk. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the okapi and its rainforest home, ensuring that this living enigma continues to grace the forests of the Congo Basin for generations to come. Deep in the emerald rainforests of Madagascar, an island renowned for its unique and diverse wildlife, roams a predator as elusive as it is fascinating. This is the fossa, Madagascar's largest carnivorous mammal and the undisputed king of its domain. Unlike its feline counterparts, the fossa possesses a somewhat dog-like appearance, with a long, slender body and a reddish-brown coat. But don't let that fool you, for this creature is a formidable hunter, perfectly adapted to navigating the dense undergrowth of its island home. Its long tail, nearly as long as its body, provides balance as it leaps from branch to branch, pursuing its prey with unwavering determination. The fossa is a master of agility, capable of navigating the complex rainforest canopy with remarkable speed and grace. Its retractable claws, much like those of a cat, provide an iron grip on both prey and branches, making it a formidable climber and a highly efficient predator. The fossa's diet consists mainly of lemurs, the primates that Madagascar is so famous for. With incredible stealth and agility, it stalks its prey through the dense foliage, relying on its keen senses of sight, smell, and hearing. Once within striking distance, the fossa pounces with lightning speed, its powerful jaws and sharp teeth delivering a swift and decisive blow. Such is the efficiency of this apex predator that even larger lemur species, some weighing as much as a domestic cat, fall victim to its hunting prowess. However, life for the fossa is not without its challenges. Habitat loss due to deforestation poses a significant threat to their survival, pushing this already elusive creature closer to the brink. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this unique predator and its rainforest home, but the future of the fossa, like many of Madagascar's endemic species, hangs precariously in the balance. In the South Pacific, New Zealand teems with ancient life. Amongst the ferns and trees lives the tuatara, a living fossil. This reptile, with its spiny crest and third eye, is a relic of the past. Its slow metabolism and long lifespan make it a biological marvel. The tuatara is a master of disguise, its mottled brown and green coloration providing excellent camouflage against the forest floor. It is a creature of the night, emerging from its burrow under the cover of darkness to hunt for insects, worms, and small invertebrates. Its slow movements and deliberate hunting style are a testament to its cold-blooded nature. It relies on stealth and patience, waiting for its prey to come within striking distance before snatching it up with a swift snap of its powerful jaws. Despite its ancient lineage and fearsome appearance, the tuatara is a surprisingly social creature. It lives in burrows, often sharing its home with seabirds, a testament to its peaceful nature. However, this peaceful coexistence is under threat. Introduced predators such as rats and stoats pose a significant threat to tuatara populations, particularly to eggs and young. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these living fossils, ensuring their survival for generations to come. As we journey from the ancient forests of New Zealand to the warm, tropical waters of Southeast Asia, we encounter another creature that challenges our understanding of the natural world. This is the Irrawaddy dolphin, a species as enigmatic as its name suggests. Found in coastal areas, rivers and estuaries, the Irrawaddy dolphin possesses a unique charm and a suite of adaptations that sets it apart from its oceanic counterparts. Unlike the sleek torpedo-shaped bodies of most dolphins, the Irrawaddy dolphin sports a more rounded, stocky physique. Its most distinctive feature, however, is its head. It lacks the elongated beak characteristic of most dolphins, instead possessing a rounded forehead that slopes gently to a small, indistinct snout. This unusual appearance has earned it comparisons to a beluga whale, though the two species are not closely related. Its coloration further adds to its distinctive appearance. A uniform slate grey to dark blue-grey covers its body, fading to a lighter grey on its underside. This counter-shading helps to camouflage it from both predators and prey. The Irrawaddy dolphin has adapted remarkably to its freshwater and brackish water habitats. Its small size, reaching up to 2.75 meters in length, allows it to navigate narrow channels and shallow waters with ease. Its flexible neck, a trait not commonly found in other dolphin species, provides it with exceptional maneuverability, allowing it to turn its head up to 90 degrees in either direction. This adaptation is crucial for navigating the often murky waters it calls home, where visibility can be limited. These dolphins are highly social animals, often found in pods of up to 6 individuals, though larger groups have been observed. They communicate through a series of clicks, whistles and squeaks, using echolocation to navigate, find food and socialize. Sadly, the Irrawaddy dolphin faces an uncertain future. Habitat degradation, pollution and accidental entanglement in fishing gear are just some of the threats they face. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these fascinating creatures and ensure their survival for generations to come. High in the mountains of Central Asia, amidst the rugged peaks and treacherous slopes, lives a creature as sure-footed as it is elusive. This is the markhor, a wild goat species renowned for its incredible agility and, of course, those magnificent horns. The markhor's horns are a sight to behold, spiraling upwards like ancient corkscrews. In mature males, they can reach lengths of over 5 feet, serving as both formidable weapons and impressive displays of dominance. These magnificent creatures are superbly adapted to their harsh environment. Their hooves are strong and flexible, allowing them to navigate steep, rocky terrain with extraordinary grace. Their thick coats provide insulation against the biting cold winds that whip through the mountains. But the markhor's life is not without its challenges. The availability of food and water can be unpredictable, and predators such as snow leopards and wolves pose a constant threat. The markhor is a highly social animal, living in herds that can range in size from a few individuals to over 30. Social interactions are complex, often involving elaborate displays of dominance and submission. Despite their harsh environment, markhors play a vital role in their ecosystem. As herbivores, they help to control vegetation growth, while their droppings provide nutrients for other animals. For centuries, the markhor has been hunted for its impressive horns, which are highly prized in some cultures. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway to protect this remarkable species and ensure its survival for generations to come. As we observe the markhor navigating its treacherous domain with such grace and agility, we are reminded of the incredible resilience of life and the delicate balance that exists within our natural world. Deep within the rainforests of Southeast Asia, a remarkable creature glides silently through the canopy. This is the Sunda colugo, also known as the Sunda flying lemur, though it is neither a true lemur nor capable of true flight. Instead, the colugo is an extraordinary glider, possessing a large, thin membrane of skin called a patagium that stretches from its neck to its tail and even between its fingers and toes. This extensive membrane allows the colugo to soar effortlessly between trees, covering impressive distances with each glide. As the colugo launches itself into the air, it spreads its limbs wide, transforming its body into a living parachute. Its large, forward-facing eyes provide excellent depth perception, essential for navigating the complex forest environment. The colugo's gliding prowess is not its only remarkable adaptation. Its fur is often speckled with shades of grey, brown and white, providing excellent camouflage against the dappled light of the rainforest understory. Section 2. A Nocturnal Specialist. The Sundakolugo is a creature of the night emerging from its daytime slumber as darkness descends on the rainforest. Under the cover of darkness, it navigates its arboreal domain with remarkable agility, its large, sensitive eyes guiding its way. The Colugo's diet consists primarily of leaves, flowers, and fruits, which it carefully selects from the forest canopy. Its long, slender limbs and sharp claws allow it to cling effortlessly to branches while feeding. Despite their remarkable adaptations, Sundakolushos are facing increasing threats from habitat loss and fragmentation due to deforestation. As with many other unique and fascinating creatures, the future of this gliding marvel depends on our commitment to conservation. The Sundakolugo serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity of life that thrives in our world's rainforests, a treasure trove of evolutionary wonders that continues to amaze and inspire. From the soaring heights of the Himalayas to the depths of the rainforest canopy, we've explored some of the most unique and lesser-known animals on our planet. These hidden gems, often overlooked, remind us of the incredible diversity and wonder of the natural world. These are just a few of the incredible lesser-known animals that share our planet, each with its own unique adaptations and role to play in the delicate balance of their ecosystems. If you enjoyed learning about these hidden gems of the animal kingdom, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content. Stay tuned for our next video where we explore even more amazing creatures.